Hi, today let's make Sabudana Payasa. It is very simple, very easy to make. In a kadai, you add in ghee. Once the ghee has heated, just add in some chopped nuts like cashews and almonds. If you like raisins, please go ahead and feel free to add it. Once the dry fruits have turned slightly brown, which means the dry fruits has been roasted really very well with the ghee, just take it and keep it aside. We need to add it later. Now to the same ghee, I'm adding in grated carrot. The carrot needs to be fried really very well with the ghee so that the flavor is infused and the raw smell goes. Once the color changes of the carrot, that's the time we get to know the carrot has been fried or roasted very well. I've added in soaked sabudana. This sabudana I've soaked it for 30 minutes. Once it's combined really very well with the carrot, I've added in 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of water and give it a good mix. After few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, the paisa will start turning thick. See, you can see this is the consistency which will be coming, which means you can next add in your jaggery. Here jaggery, if you like it mild, you can reduce the quantity. If you want more, you can add it. Give it a good mix and slowly the color changes because we have added jaggery. See, look at the color of the paisa. This is the color or this is the thickness of paisa which we are wanting. Just after a boil, what you can do is next add in some cardamom powder. This gives a beautiful taste to our paisa. And then finally added the you can add in the dried fruits which you had fried previously and give it a good mix. Your tasty, simple and easy sabudana paisa is ready to serve. If you have quickly some guests coming in, or there's some puja or festivals or anything, or just feel like having some sweet dish, this is a very and healthy sweet dish. It's summer as well. It cools down the body. Sabudana cools down the body, and you can have it with your holige or puran poli. It tastes really very well. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and